Oh, so what, you idiot? Okay, so when me and my girl have kids, they'll like it. Yeah, your weed is pretty good, man. Speaking of 381, why did he get TKO'd? Why the fuck would I keep in touch with that bum Dijon, bro? What the fuck? That guy's a bum. I talked to Sparks, Crenshaw, man. What the hell? I'm in the union, bro. Dijon's a fucking bum. He'd never... I beat that motherfucker with a jab. In a rematch? I'll never give him a rematch. No, I think I'm gonna live in her house. I think her place is better. This motherfucker's stupid, man. Oh, 384 0. What's the difference what house we live in, man? Those tits are fucking huge, man. Yeah, they will. And my son's gonna be the second best boxer ever. Enough with the critique, dog. Since when are you a hater, man? I thought you were cool, bro. Last 3 opponents all got fucking better. Not everybody got their ass beat this year. I don't even have to fucking fight anymore. Your dumbass is about to get banned for real. Oh, my homeboy was at Ice Cube's concert yesterday. I told him tell Ice Cube tap in the stream. I think you're goofy. I'd hit you in the ring so fucking hard, you'd be goofy, son. That's a fan, Charles. Give us a shout out. Oh, you're a massive fan? Alright. What was my best one? Let's see what kind of fan you are. What was my best one? No, I told my homie Henson, the dude with the check mark. I said, tell him that I told Ice Cube what's up. Maybe he'll come in the live. We got Shannon Briggs, right? Yeah, I talk to famous people, bro. How come you're such a fucking troll, man? I mean, how come you're such a hater? How do you know you didn't listen to Henson? And, bro, I'm not coming to England, man. My girlfriend lives in LA, man, with me. We don't live together, but we live in LA. I'm not gonna go to England, man. I already won in Russia and Ukraine. We're 84 0, that's all I gotta tell you. I bet my girl got bigger tits than yours. England? What am I gonna do in England, bro? Knock Tyson Fury the fuck out in Wembley Arena? Yeah, Henson comes in here all the time. I don't know what he told him. And he said he couldn't talk to him because there was too many people. Bro, it's not essential that Ice Cube comes in my fucking stream, bro. He's a rapper. I'm a fighter. You didn't answer my question. Homeboy from England, what was my best win? You said you're a fan. Again, he's mentioning that fucking draw. 384-0, son. And that's still the greatest record ever, so I don't know what the hell you get out of that. Shannon Briggs was on my stream a million fucking times. Okay, now you're talking. Wilder one was the best. You're a fan. Good shit. Bro, there's nothing to fucking watch, man, I swear. At least some fucking basketball, hockey or some shit, I don't know. Who said he won't? He might. Jill's Law beat the shit out of him for this victory. By the way, that was a great fucking win. I don't know, but I still talk to Sparks. No, Briggs didn't block me. Why would Briggs block me? We're homies. What the fuck? Why would Shannon Briggs block me? Yeah, I'm cool with his nephews. Just because I haven't talked to him in a while, it doesn't mean shit. I'll go in his next live. It's the other way around. Briggs talks to me. Remember, he's a contender and I'm the champion. My shoulder's still fucked up. Homeboy says Cube should have listened to Henson. Hey, who said he won't? If he comes in the stream, I'll be like, what up, bro? Be like, good music. And if he doesn't, then he doesn't. He's not even a fucking fighter. It's not that goddamn essential. I fucking punked Corey Spinks on here. I think that's a bigger deal than having Ice Cube. Well, Corey Spinks is a bum, but it's two fighters arguing, you know. I think that's more interesting than a fighter and a rapper talking. Too many messages. What the fuck? Briggs, man. Coming to my wedding, man. Later this year. Briggs will be afraid to come, man. Fuck, I wonder what 385 is going to be. Yeah, right. Oh, you're stupid, man. No, I'm not that big of a fan. No, I'm a fan of Ice Cube, but not that big. Wait, what? Homeboy, my girlfriend has tits like this. I'm not starstruck over anybody, man. Believe me. And I'm a great fighter. I think it would be the other way around. I think Ice Cube would want my fucking autograph. And I talk to Crenshaw more than Briggs, though. But Crenshaw's too disrespectful, man. Maybe we'll put Sparks. Man, Eminem's my favorite rapper. Because, see what I mean? This dude's talking shit. Because he does have a check mark. And he said I'm pound for pound king. Because it's more impressive to talk to check marks than to trolls and haters like you. That's why I always say it, because I remind these motherfuckers, man. I tell them, I tell the haters, you motherfuckers do not belong here. Bro, Crenshaw, his girlfriend's fucking ugly, man. No offense, man. Listen, man, I'm WBC champion, bro. How about that? 384 try, 384 fail. Yeah, now you're selling Henson short because he talks to me. Pretty soon you're going to sell all the check marks short. I'm not saying it's essential to have a fucking check mark. I can get a check mark easily, bro. If my original account that I had had about 1 million followers, like original Instagram from like years back, if that account didn't get banned, it would have got a check mark. Because Henson supports me, bro. He might even get me a fight with he said he might try to get me a fight against that bum Andre Ward. Andre Ward, he doesn't even know how to throw a right hand, bro. Have you seen Andre Ward, the way he punches? That motherfucker got no technique. What? What the hell are you talking about? What decorations? Bro, I decorate people's faces for a living, man. No, I didn't. 381 got stopped. You're an idiot. I don't know, bro. I'll probably drink later on. I don't fucking remember, man. This motherfucker's a stalker, man. Be checking out my house and shit. Why are you talking shit, man? You'd never say any of this shit. I'm not offended, bro. You'd never act like this in person. I'd make you look like Alex. I'll punk you in real life. You'd never say this kind of shit. I'm a vicious, ruthless fighter, man. Know that. All this shit is real. Oh, bro, I don't know, bro. I'm not really a big fan of Cobra. It just fucks you up. That's it. I think go easy even better. I don't remember what decorations you're talking about, and no, I did not do that. Bro, I would beat the shit out of you. No, I make fun of Briggs, and we were making fun of each other. You're an idiot. That's when homies talk shit like jokingly. We're not really talking shit. Who gives a fuck about the ceiling fan? You'd be looking up at the ceiling from the canvas, bro. Bro, Briggs doesn't want to come in the strings anymore. Sparks still comes in. Briggs has actually... I was clowning the shit out of Briggs. Like, when we first started talking, and we were scheduled to fucking box, I was clowning the shit out of that motherfucker, man. And that was funny. That was, like, funny, you know what I mean? I didn't take that shit personally. Bro, so what? You'd be looking at a different kind of ceiling, homeboy. You'd never talk shit in my face, and you know it. You're a fucking dumb retard. Alright, then why am I dating? I can prove it. Why am I dating a super